Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and we are going to start with our free CKA series. This series should help you to clear your CKA exam as well as prepare you for your Kubernetes interview. Before getting started, I want to give enough credit for the resources which I use. So I use Kubernetes documentation and a couple of other books like CKA Study, Guidebook, and Mastering Kubernetes book. Without ado, let's get started. Today we are going to see everything about Kubernetes, administrator exam, CK exam. What is the objective of taking this exam? Why you should take this exam? The different domains and the weightage for the each domain. So exam objective is very clear. You need to be able to install Kubernetes cluster, configure it, and maintain as a Kubernetes administrator. The CKA certification program verifies you have a deep understanding of the typical administration tasks related to Kubernetes cluster, and you should be able to maintain Kubernetes cluster, the networking part, the storage solutions, and you should be able to troubleshoot issues at the cluster level, at the node level, at the application level. Okay, so that's the exam objective. What is the benefit of taking this very costly exam? The exam cost is $395. You get discount time to time. So today is also they have a discount of 35%, and I also share the exam discount time to time. So benefit of taking this exam, since this is a proctor online and performance-based exam, which you need to finish within 2 hours of time. uh, this exam has a very uh, recognizable exam, and it will also help you to advance in your career and networking opportunities and cross industry career opportunities as well. So which means you will see in different JDs for the DevOps or SR engineer that they mention that you need to have the CKA exam clear. So sometimes you get a preference over other candidates when you have the CKA certification in your back. Okay, so let's talk about the exam details. So this exam, when I'm recording this video, the Kubernetes version used for the CKA exam is Windows 30, and which might get changed. It gets changed after every release within 4 to 8 weeks. So make sure you are checking or performing all the tasks on the currently released Kubernetes version. The ETCD version used for the exam is 1.30, 1.3.5. The exam duration is 2 hours. You will get 6 to 7 different clusters, and you need to complete 17 questions. The score which you need to have to clear the exam is 66%, and we will make sure throughout this series we practice enough and cover all the topics that you clear your exam into your first attempt. But don't worry, even if you are not able to complete or pass your exam on the first attempt, you get one more reattempt, and rewatch all the videos, perform all the tasks, watch whatever we are going to cover in this series, and which should help you to clear your exam. Okay. Um, Yeah, I think that should be from the exam point of view. The main point is this is online, the proctor-based exam and the performance-based exam. 2 hours of exam to finish the 17 tasks. We will see all these things and the exam tips for clearing this exam in upcoming videos. But for now, this should be enough. Then we will discuss about the CK exam syllabus. The current syllabus is designed for the Kubernetes 1.30. Okay. There are six different domains. This exam is divided. The first domain is cluster architecture installation and configuration, which has 25% of it. It covers your Kubernetes cluster, installation, upgradation, your etc backup and restore, as well as add back. The next domain is workload and scheduling, which has the 15% of weightage. These will cover your deployments, rolling updates and rollbacks, scaling your application, performing, um, how to use the config maps and secrets to configure your application, then how to create your robust self-healing and application deployments, how resource limits and ranges uh, affect your pod scheduling, as well as different templating tools such as Helm. The next domain is services and networking, which has the 20% of weightage. Here we will discuss about different types of Kubernetes services, cluster IP, node port, load balancer type services, then how to configure and use code ANS, how to use the ingress controllers and ingress resources, how communication happen between your pods running on the same host or the different hosts, how to use the different CNI plugins and how to configure them. The next domain is storage, where we will discuss about the storage classes, persistent volumes, persistent volume claims, as well as how to configure applications to use the persistent storage. This domain has the 10% of weightage. The next domain is troubleshooting, which has the highest weightage for the CKA exam, 30% weightage. Here we will discuss about the different logging, cluster level logging, node level logging, how to monitor your application, how to check the different logs, how to troubleshoot applications, how to troubleshoot different Kubernetes cluster components and networking components. This is the entire syllabus for your CK exam. We are going to check each and every topic. We will do enough hands-on to make sure we clear this exam, and this should also help you to clear your CK and Kubernetes interview. Okay. I'm super excited for this series. We will discuss all these topics one by one in upcoming videos. Uh, so yeah, stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I'm looking forward to see you all of you again for upcoming videos. Um, bye bye.